The second largest whale in the world slows the buildup of CO2 in the sea. This is by Charles, the moderator on What's Up With That, and it's from Eureka Alert, published December 19th, 2018, so it's a recent article. The second largest whale in the world slows the buildup of CO2 in the sea, they say. The rise in the population of whales off the coast of Catalonia has been studied in a research project led by the EDMAKTUB Association, in which the University of Extremadura is a participant. University of Extremadura. Climate change, says they, has also brought important transformations in the animal world. This has been made clear by studies carried out since 2011 by EDMAKTUB Association, an NGO, on which the University of Exeter Professor Daniel Patton has collaborated. This team of experts has been able to observe how the fin whale, or the common rorqual, that's the Valenoptera physalis. Physalis means that it blows, it has a blowhole on the top. It's the largest cetacean in the world after the blue whale, has increased its population in the Catalonian coast over recent years. Indeed, according to the annual sightings report compiled by EDMAKTUB in 2017 alone, over 300 whales were spotted, and if we add together those recorded by the scientific team, 102 animals, and the notifications by the network of fishermen and mariners collaborating in the project, a total of 155 reports with over 200 whales observed. This increase is principally because they found in these waters a major concentration of food. Also, by using drones, it's been possible to see how they filter feed, swallowing the massive copepods and expelling the water like a colander or a sieve. In fact, and from the perspective of the scientist, Professor Daniel Patton of the Department of Plant Biology, Ecology, and Earth Sciences at the UX, explains that the rise in temperature and radiation is making the levels of chlorophyll in the seas go up. According to Patton, this, combined with the nutrients brought by the rivers and agricultural phosphates, is prompting an increase in the phytoplankton and therefore of the zooplankton, the krill, and the marine copepods, which is the principal source of food of this cetacean and is what makes them concentrate in these zones. Specifically, the conclusions point to this increase in zooplankton as the cause of the rise in the whale populations, and these, quote, are the great carbon sinks of the seas, end quote. In other words, according to the University ex-professor, the whales are helping us to reverse the damage of global warming. UX contribution says, for this marine biology investigation, the major contribution of the University of Extremadura has been the development of geographical information system using a large neural network. Quote, this is a computer model which shows the different variables which we have seen exert an influence, such as the chlorophyll, temperature, salinity, and bathymetry, to be collated. These data let us understand and learn why one of the largest animals on the planet behaves in a specific way, end quote. Bringing all these variables together, it's possible to discover the whale behavior and plot maps of the Western Mediterranean. For this project, the researchers have used open source software tools, R and OGIS, running in Linux environments. And the references are Eduard de Golada. Well, you'll see all the Catalonian coasts, meaning Catalonia, meaning, of course, Spain, Western Mediterranean. I didn't even know they had such huge whales in the Western Mediterranean. That's fantastic. I would say that would be the Atlantic Ocean, obviously. It's not in the Mediterranean Sea. This is on What's Up With That, and I'll leave a link below for you for this. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.